Watch how I can play Riptide using 3 chords on the ukulele. So, in order to do this, I need 2 things. Some very simple basic chords in my left hand that I'll show you right now, and I need a strumming pattern in my right hand. First, let's talk about the chords. They start on an A minor, which looks like this, with 1 finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then it goes to a G chord, which looks like this, and it is the 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. The middle finger shares a fret with the 1st finger. It's also in the 2nd fret, but on the 1st string, you skip over that 2nd string. And the reason you skip over that 2nd string is that your ring finger is going to plop right down on it in the 3rd fret on the 2nd string to make a G chord. After that, we have our C chord, which is just 1 finger, and I use my ring finger for that, on the 1st string, 3rd fret. After we can make those chords, we're going to try practicing kind of switching between them. It should sound something like this. 1, 2, try and play. A minor, switch to G, switch to C, try it again with me. A minor, switch to G, switch to C. I'm gonna make it a little faster now. It goes A minor, switch to G, switch to C. Let's try it one more time. It's A minor, switch to G, then to C. Once you can do this at about that speed, you're ready to start adding the strumming pattern. If you're going to strum this song, you're going to need to know how to evenly strum with your index finger on the ukulele. In order to do that, I really suggest you watch this video here on how to strum the ukulele. It'll get your strumming sounding really even and your hand being really fluid, which is so important in order to play this part. After you've done that, we can add the specific pattern that Riptide uses, which is this. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. After we do that, we can switch chords with it. Let's try it on the A minor chord. I'll go 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If that's seeming tricky to you, it's likely that you probably need this video on how to strum the ukulele nice and even with a fluid hand. If that happens, if you're getting caught up on kind of which way to go, that video can help a lot. If you are able to do that and you can keep up with me, let's try it changing the chords. It would sound like this. 1, 2, here I go. One more time. Did you get it? I hope so. If not, maybe rewind the video and take it nice and slow. Make sure you can play each of the chord shapes individually, you can switch them in time, and then you can add the strumming pattern. This is a tricky song to get right, but after you get that right hand strumming the right way, I bet it'll sound just like the song. Good luck!